Harap ni.
Head east on Luke Wright Street towards Santa Catalina Street, then turn left
Huh?
onto Santa Catalina Street.
Straight? Just follow this path. Just go straight until you reach the post.
Hindi may nag-pan eh. Pasok.
Turn left onto Santa Catalina Street.
Pwede ba turn left tayo? Or straight lang?
Continue for 3 kilometers.
We have 1 hour and 30 minutes of kilos. It's enough for lunch.
Only lunch. No killing, please. Gosh, this is a country close to you. I'm gonna happy as
Yan, dito pala tayo galing. Oops.
Saddest. What's the saddest song you know?
me.
Yeah. I'm so happy.
Anong sabi ito na?
The lovely is nice. Lovely. Lovely.
Karos kalida.
Bakit? Nakakolab ng FPIT? Wala pa yan o, hindi pa na level na ganyan.
Sino yung kanta ng ano? Pacific Park nila may girl date, may girl member na sila.
Ano? Bakit? Ano ba?
Galit yung mga tao.
Yeah, my girl na. The face of me needs me.
Patay na ulit siya. Basta magalit.
Yeah. So, makatabalig.
Pangit tao.
Yeah.
Replace with the lady member.
Yeah. He killed himself. Ay, kumakaya ng girl yung ano niya, yung kanyang tone.
Music should be genderless.
Hindi, kung galit yung afasi, baka hindi up to the task yung girl. Dapat, kailangan someone with us can do it.
Kailangan sila nag-continue.